fully functional chassis trainer featuring a 1,200 cubic centimeter, 4-cylinder petrol engine with electronic multi-point injection, mounted on a mobile stand, showcasing functional components such as engine, gearbox, suspension, braking, steering, and a complete lighting system. Engine cutaway reveals internal components like the camshaft, valves, and crankshaft, alongside visible lubrication and cooling circuits. The electronic multi-point injection system, intake manifold, and oil pump are also clearly displayed for an in-depth understanding of engine processes. Fully functional front and rear lighting system, controlled from the trainer's dashboard. Cutaway battery, ECU, wiring, and other components allows detailed exploration of the vehicle's electrical circuits, power distribution, and ECU functionality. Gearbox assembly, along with the clutch, displays transmission components including the flywheel, gear shifting mechanism, and clutch pedal. This allows a comprehensive view of power flow, clutch engagement, and gear transitions. Brake system features front disc and rear drum brakes, hydraulic pump, and handbrake. Steering system includes the steering column, steering rack, and linkages. This allows for a complete view of the steering mechanics. Trainer offers wide educational experience, combining real vehicle components with detailed cutaways for a comprehensive understanding of automotive systems. It provides an ideal platform for students to explore engine dynamics, electrical systems, braking, transmission, and steering mechanics in a practical and engaging way. To learn more, visit website or contact our team.